think that's Frey Bentos pie. It's out of date, but just a few months. Never had one before. Well, that's what it looks like inside. Nightmare getting that off because it was dented. And two can openers I tried, only very good. Just have a wee look, see how my pie's doing. It's looking good, smells alright. It should be ready now, it's half an hour it's been. So let's give it a wee shot. Look, it's white. Looks alright. It's not a real pie. 6 done. Put some beans in the microwave. So that's that, an out of date Frey Bentos chicken pie. Took half an hour, so I haven't tasted it yet. It smelled alright. So that's me, just polished off that Frey Bentos chicken pie, and I must say it was very tasty, even if it was out of date.